Hey, welcome back. In this video, we are gonna see about the formatting tags in the HTML. Let's get started. Formatting tags is nothing but editing the website like whatever you want. And it is just like every formatting tag should have closing tag. That means in HTML the formatting tag will have the closing tag and the opening tag also. Let's make it in a code. Now we need to create a HTML file. We already done it, and let's type it as HTML and inside that make a body. Okay, now these are the formatting tags. In first we can say about heading tags. There are 6 type of heading tags in the 6 various sizes. Just try it. I'm typing h1. It's a heading 1. In HTML the number order of the heading tag will be upside down. If you imagine that it is a 1, it will be a bigger in size, and if you imagine that it's a 6, h1 will be bigger in size and h6 will be smaller in size. Just try it. Just type it as wiki dev. Yeah, it has been shown in the browser. Now you decrease this number, you can see this size variation. Now type it as 6. Now you can perfectly see the variation size. This is the actual size of a head 6. It means a heading, the size is 6. Now just transfer it. Yeah, it's done. Next, paragraph tag. Just see in the combo mode, paragraph tag and bold, and we can see the strong also. Just type it as paragraph and type anything you want. Have fun. Yeah, it's shown in the browser, and this will be a paragraph tag in the same size you did it in next line also. Let's make it have a fun. Yeah, it's in the same size, but the line was differentiate in the size. If you want to darken a specific word or bold a specific word, you can use as this b tag cut paste. Yeah, now you can see this fun was get bolded. Now you can type a strong formatting tag also. Just type it strong strong and put it that's fun in between the strong tag. Yeah, you will see the both differences are similar to each other, and it works perfectly in HTML5 version also. It's eventually making a fun. You can just keep subscribe and press the bell icon to notified at my regular content. And if you miss my previous video, the link is on the description and I button also, you can check it out. Like bold and strong, there are 2 tags similar to each other. They are called I and EM. I is mean by italic and EM is my emphasize. Let's make it in a code. Next line, just typing as a I and making have a fun. Yeah, you can see the difference between this paragraph tag, strong, bold, and this italic. Italic is a font which will be a slight turn when deferred to a normal font. You just try it as a emphasize. Just make it as emp. Have a fun. Yeah, it is also similar to each other. Now you can use the one and only tag to separate these 2 lines. The formatting tag needed is br means break the line and kept it in the other line. Just understand this topic, and break is to break the line and kept it on the other line. Another tag is pre tag represents as, just try it in the browser, pre pre have a fun with friends. It make a font look like a typewriting editor, or it predefines the text. Okay, just go into the mark and small. These two tags will be a connection with each other. Let's make it in a code. Sorry, some browsers will not support the mark. Just type as have fun. Yeah, you can see the difference, that the mark tag is to highlight a element or a font in the browser, and the next tag is small, SMAL, and now you can put this have fun into it. Sorry, now you can see this differences in this have a fun and this have a fun. You have small differences in this small and this paragraph. Yeah, now we see the difference between the paragraph and small. Deal is mean by deleting or declining a font. If you need to decline or delete this fun element, you can type as del and put this fun into this del. It will be striken. Just deleting a font in the structure is striking the font in that structure. It will be deleted or striken. At last, sub and sub, these two are similar. Sub means subscript and sup means superscript. What's the difference between subscript and the superscript? These are two up and down side which came from the same family. Let's make it in the code. Superscript have a fun. Yeah, you can see the difference. This have the fun will be some more little below. Yeah, I will show you in this certain process. In chemistry, the structure of like a C2O or CO2 will be like this. CO2. Yeah, it will be like this. So the subscript will be down of the word that you given in the browser. Now let's see the superscript. If you need a square of the x, yeah, superscript to the up of the element, it's to add a square or some other else, making stuff easier. At last, BR and HR. What's the BR and HR? BR means break. We have already seen that BR breaks the line and alters the font into another line. If you need a line between these two have the fonts and have the fun with friends, you need a line between here. You can draw a line in the browser. I'm just making a fun. Now you need to code that to make a line in the browser. It's very simple. Just type it as HR. Yeah, the line will be shown here. This is the simple step to make a line in your browser, to separate these two lines. You can separate whatever line you like. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. Make sure that you press the subscribe button and press the bell icon with it. If you need to contact me, you can contact in Instagram, Discord, and Twitter. You can enjoy with your friends in the Discord also. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.